Benchmark commentary prep. For the Aeneid, it's benchmark 2. For Pliny, it'll be benchmark 4. Benchmark 4. So let's go back to where we were. And next to your name under benchmark 2, you'll see this little Google Doc for you to edit. There's two things we're going to do. Actually, we need three windows open. First, we need our commentary. Open that sucker up, pull that off. There's the commentary and have your passage ready to go. Okay, yes. Now, and let's make it huge. So, first thing we're going to do is go back here and you're going to open up this little document I put on there. Here it is, 746. Going to pull that off. And I've already done one as an example, but that's okay. Now, go back, and there's a third document. There's a third document. Third document's called AP Questions. We're going to be answering questions, creating questions, pop-ups, and multiple choice on the grammar terms. What are the grammar terms? Those are the ones I provided already. See, when we come here, you'll see it in that nice big print, comparative form. Now, some of these aren't there, but some of them are because they're useful. All right, let's take a look at this one. I'm going to pick one right now. I'm going to pick Arwa. Now, how to deal with it? Well, Arva is in line. Where is Arva? There's an Arva somewhere. It's in line 45. Good. Okay, so I'm going to copy the word 45, Arva. I'm going to copy this, Control C. I'm going to go to this slug document that we've created, this prep document, and this is the example of what it should look like. We have a question that'll do two things. One is morphology, what form it is. Two, syntax, what's the usage. So what line did we say? 45, where it says word, double click, Control V, not Shift V, Control V. This is PU. PU stands for pop-up. This is MC, stands for multiple choice. When we actually create the quizzes for the AP students, it asks for pop-up questions when there's dealing with what form it is, because the AP will ask that question. And then it asks for multiple choice when you want to know how it's being used. That's what syntax is. So for each word, you can mostly get double duty. All right, so let's go back. Arva shows a what? It's a plural accusative neuter. All right, let's go to that nice spreadsheet here. And we're going to copy the things where it says grammar terms. And we're going to look for plural accusative. A ending nouns. That helps. Control C. Just copy the whole cell and go back to your doc. And you're going to put in there Control Shift V. If you do Control V, it'll do that. I guess you can do that. Well, that's pretty cool. Let's try that again. Control V. Good. And what was it in the commentary? It was plural accusative. Okay, so the star is how you tell. Now, we got 4 answer choices, 5 answer choices. We got to take out one of them. Doesn't matter which one. Boom. There it is. There's a question. It's done. Yay. Now, how's it being used? It's the accusative object. Okay, so you go back to your quick sheet to grammar, and you'll see it under nouns, Iceman, I believe. Iceman, there it is. 4 choices. That's perfect. Control C. And it's an object phrase, Control V. Notice that asterisk. The asterisk has to be used to tell you that. And we have one word, one question, boom. 2 questions, 1 word. Nice. Go back to your commentary. Make sure that you don't, what's the term? Screw up, right? Go to highlighter. Make it orange. Boom. There we go. We know we've used it. So let's do a verb while we're at it, if there's any verbs here. Do 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 do. Akipimus. Well, it doesn't say what verb it is, but I don't like it capitalized. That's just me. Isque parentem you. Well, that's a good one. Saturne. I'm not finding any good fun verbs. I want participles, infinitives, and the SJ. SJ stands for subjunctive. Those are real cool. Da, 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 da. Gotta be more than that. Gotta be more than that. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Now, you don't have to do it this way. You could just go word by word. There it is. What is it? It's an infinitive. And I got to realize that formatting is necessary. We're doing a lot in a short amount of time. Don't you think it isn't that way? All right, good. I have an infinitive. Good. In line 57, I want to take the word adjungi. Boom. I want to put it over here, back to my little file that I'm creating. And you shouldn't do this way. You should just go word to word to word to word. You got a lot to do. There it is, 57. And there's the MC. Remember, scholarship is not doing three different things. It's doing one different thing three times. So adjungi, let's look at the verb. It's a present infinitive passive. Go to my quick sheet, which I developed years and years ago. And I go to verbs. Morphology verbs. I'm looking for infinitives, participles. Oh, infinitives. That's nice. Control C and Control, go back to it for the PU. Control V. I got 6. What do I want to get rid of? A fair number I'd like to get rid of, but let's find out. It's a present infinitive. First, figure out what it is. Present infinitive passive. Good. Now, we could say it's a present infinitive passive of a deponent verb. That's good to say. You don't know what a deponent verb is? If it's a deponent verb, we'll say deponent verb. If you don't know, skip it off. This will take a bit. So I'm going to go here, and I got 3 choices. Let's just put another. There it is. Piece of cake. Now, let's look at the clause. It's in a complement clause. So I go up here. I look for clauses. And I see complementary infinitive. Beautiful. Boom. And that's only got like 4 choices. So that's cool. All right. So that's all you do on this part right here on benchmark 2, or for Pliny. It says a complementary infinitive. Boom. There it is. And you've got those questions done. Piece of cake. When they're done, just go to share. Now, benchmark 2 takes a little bit for the commentary part. It does. I will not kid you. And then you will just submit. All right. I guess that's everything. So it's a good exercise. Things you don't know. Oh, did I? I need to highlight that when I'm there. I need to what's that term? I need to highlight it orange, because then I'm done with it. And then I don't have to worry. Just highlight the verb. Don't delete the verb. Highlight the verb. All right, so that takes care about everything. And remember, as always, superaubimos. We shall overcome. Till that time, I'll see you soon.